Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we are going to be building this quad bike. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x6 standard base plate, and we're going to turn it upside down because we're going to attach these extended wheel attachment plates underneath like so, because it's going to have 4 wheels, right? Okay, so now we're going to add a 2x2 standard base plate. This quad bike is going to be blue, so I'm going to be using a lot of blue. And one of these underside pieces for boats, helicopters, you name it, over here. Now at the back, we're going to attach a 1x2 standard brick. I'm using, guess what, blue. And these bricks with grabbers sticking out of them, because we will be able to clip some stuff at the back later. So at the front again, we need this car specific, I've forgotten the word for it, I think I might have to remind myself later. And this as well, this car specific piece at the back. This is going to be above the wheel. I just can't remember what it's called, but never mind about it. We're going to add a little bit of color, so we're going to have these 1x2 standard base plates at the sides here, and that's just about the basis. Now we're going to be adding the decoration. So a side attachment plate facing downwards at the front, a 1x2 standard base plate, I'm using this black, and a 1x4 standard base plate for the bumper. We're going to add some lights, so we're going to use these little yellow translucent studs, and over here a steering wheel. What makes it different with most quad bikes is that it's going to have a steering wheel, and these cheese slopes at the front. For the back, we shall have these slope pieces, base plates with slopes on them. We're just going to attach them on both sides at the back here. Some very tiny base plates in this blue, like so, and these little tiles, these little red, translucent red tiles. And in the middle here, we're going to have a jumper plate, so we might be able to attach some stuff there as well. All we have left to do now is the wheels. So I have 4 wheels. This is a quad bike. I have the 11mm wheels with the super off-road tires. We're just going to pin them in to the attachments here. Where should I put it here? And then we've done it. So there we have it. Our quad bike is complete. I already made a quad bike, a yellow and orange one. If you have not seen that one, then do go check it out if you have not seen it yet. And if you have seen it already, then you can tell that there's difference in this. There's loads of difference in this. For instance, like you have the steering wheel instead of a handlebar, and the bumper is not made out of a bar, it's made out of a base plate. And obviously we've got these clips at the back here, so we can attach various other items. But anyway, well, I'm going to show you how to drive. So I've got this dude, the mechanic. And we're just going to sit him down in here. And he looks like he is built for the occasion. Driving off on these super off-road tires. See you later, alligator. Vroom. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that it's inspired you. And until next time, happy building! beep. Get out my way, mechanic coming through.